Today we are presenting a case study on smart drive system in Industry 4.0. So I hope this case study discussion will explain how the modern drives will explain the intelligent motors for the better performance. And also this will also highlight the usage of robotics, automation and AI in the industry drives for the better performance and also more reliable and efficient.
So I'm going to give a short intro about smart drive system and the problem statement. Industry 4.0 is also called as fourth industrial revolution. It uses modern technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT, and automation. The major issues we are facing in traditional methods are they can run only at fixed and constant speed. They cannot able to vary the speed based on their load. It causes major issues like it requires more power. It always needs always goes under mission failure. These and It doesn't have any real time monitoring. Um, uh, it has a maintenance issue like reactive maintenance issue, which means we repair only after the failure. We didn't know before that. So why we need a modern system means we need real time monitoring to reduce the cost and increase the efficiency. And what are the outcomes and benefits of modern smart drive system comes under the same.
So the overview on smart drive system. So smart drive is the combination of motor drive, sensor and communication and intelligence. So the main component of the smart drive system is the variable frequency drive, sensors and IoT modules for communication. So the function of variable frequency drive is to controls the motor voltage and frequency, and it also monitor the frequencies. And next one is sensors. Sensors actually detect the abnormal parameters, and it also monitor the motor's functions. Next one is IoT. IoT is mainly used for the information is sent to the cloud, and it will detects and it will send to the operator's phones. So, for example, if the temperature is increases, the motor speed is decreases, and if there is any abnormal parameters, the information is sent to the operators.
I'm going to explain about the working principle of the smart drive system. First, the sensor is used to collect the real-time informations like temperature, load, variations, and so on. Next, the data is transmitted using IoT communication. In next step, the AI or analytics is used to get the performance of it, and cloud platform or controller get the performance, and it evaluates the system. In next step, function is used for optimal efficiency. Then the voltage or frequency drive adjusts the power usage, torque, and speed. Final, as a result, the system provides efficient and safe automated operation.
Benefits of smart drive systems are it saves 20 to 30 percentage of efficiency, and detects the fault before its failure, optimize the production systems and real monitoring systems, and better for decision making. It uses in application like robotics, HVAC, and automated productions, and applications like and some of the examples are in HVAC we can adjust the fan speed according to its room temperature, and in robotics we can use accurate result of this.
We can see the challenges and future scope. Challenges, we face high initial installation cost and integration of IoT based AI and future scope, and in need of skills, and we have to integrate some data skill storage, and in future skill we have an fully automation drive, and have a machine also can detect and solve the problems automatically, and we can integrate an AI genetics also.
See, in this conclusion, we come to conclude that as we discussed about this smart drive system in Industry 4.0, how much it is essential for reducing the energy consumption, and also it improves the productivity in the industries. And also we can enable the usage of automation and IoT along with the AI in the industries. Thank you for your participation. Bye.